Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 35 Menzies Street in Rivervale. This is the best valued 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Rivervale. Has 2 living areas, easy care block. We're only metres away from the fantastic Rivervale Primary School. So if you're on a budget, I'm on a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, then this is the one for you. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour. 35 Menzies Street in Rivervale. As you can see, there's plenty of room to move inside and outside as well. And the location is fantastic. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.